We'll be with you in a second. I need some help, people.
We got a live one from Nitschmann Middle School. Dodgeball accident.
We're gonna need a B-Bron IV back, stat.
We're fresh out, they're all generic.
Okay.
B-Bron products only.
You heard the man. We have to get to B-Bron, stat.
B-Bron develops, manufactures, and markets innovative medical products and services to the worldwide healthcare industry. With quality and safety as their focus, they are committed to total customer satisfaction with zero tolerance for product defects. Their concern is not just for the customers and patients, but also for its employees. B-Bron is a family-held company that considers its 1,200 Lehigh Valley employees part of that family. Because it's a private company, their employees maintain added job security, and the company actually expanded during times of recession. They offer a positive work environment, competitive salaries, benefit packages, and a sharing expertise with culture that rewards performance. B-Bron Medical has been rewarded top workplaces in the Lehigh Valley year after year.
This company is all about quality and building safe and quality products for all of our patients. You know, so I mean, it's pretty exciting when you walk into a hospital. If you're in there and you look around and you see your product being used on your family member, it feels good. Down on the floor, everybody is one big family. It's like you spend more time here with these people than you do your own family, so they are your family.
B-Bron is a pretty sound company. Their ethics are up above and beyond.
B-Bron is a great place to work, and people are engaged and employees enjoy working here, so they make a better quality product when you enjoy your job. The industry itself is great because you're doing something to be productive in society. You're saving lives. You make products that save people's lives every day.
Making 3,200 different products in the Lehigh Valley, B-Bron improves and protects the health of millions of people every day. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
How are you feeling today?
Great, now thanks to B-Bron.